let's go. Let's gotta take a ride.
Outfit?
Oh, I love it. You guys are matching. You're matching outfits again. And even Bryson's got a t-shirt that matches. Oh, look at that. How cute you are, Bryson. Okay.
All right, let's go.
Here, fix this. Bria, have to fix this a little? Yeah, keep that like that. That's beautiful.
Okay.
Guys ready for a little ride?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, hop in the car. Let's
Hop in the
giddy
car,
up.
Bria.
I'm not bringing that. I'm not going to bring the stroller.
No.
Ooh.
We're gonna go Costco, do some shopping, and wash the car. It's gonna be rainy day today.
Rain anyway, but actually we're going to go wash the car first and then go to Costco because that's just the way I want to do it. And we're going to get, even though it's going to probably rain again, still get some of the junk off the car. You like to be in front, don't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah, when you're 12 years old, I think it's when you can legally sit in the front seat when we're on the road.
Okay.
You know that?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? I'd love to have you up front with me. You'll be my driving buddy.
Yeah.
Right there, sir. Welcome to Toddle Way. Car in neutral. Foot off the brake, all right?
You got it. The car down a little bit for him here. This car goes down 4 inches and it goes up 8 inches. So sometimes it's good to lower the car for certain things.
Smells good.
Once he gets done washing, I'm going to raise it back up and get a better wash on those tires.
Bryson is curious.
Yeah.
Are you curious, Bryson? Ay, ginawa ko. Ay! What is
Mom,
that?
look at your bus.
I know. Yeah, Bryson! Yeah, Bryson!
What's going on, Bryson? What is this, huh?
Someday, Bryson, you'll be a driver in this car. Look at that, Bryson! What is that?
Look at your window.
What is that?
How come kids love car washes?
I don't know.
You know,
Talking for an hour, we just can't find the end. We won't understand each other. I wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again.
You need coffee? You ran out of coffee?
I ran out. Well, not quite yet, but I don't want to run out. So I got extra. You like this brown sugar?
Yeah, I need sugar for cooking.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah, kids love it. They love it. Yep. This is Brianna's snacks before.
Really? Okay. I think you did eat that. I'm sure you guys eat it. But make sure
That
you
one is
get the
extra
right
virgin.
one.
Wow. I love sardines.
Which one's extra virgin?
That one.
Okay.
This one is 100% olive oil. And that one is extra.
Well, that's called extra virgin is all. They're both olive oil, I think.
Wild Pacific sardines. I wonder which one is better.
That's what you want.
This one. There's the Lucky Charm. $6.79 for 2.
Yeah, it's the same difference. Okay, you just get them over here.
It's all kind of the same. Version likes it for snacks and Brianna.
Yeah, and even when me and Dad goes to Costco, sometimes then we buy Doritos and I eat them in the car.
That's nasty.
You guys want these? Okay.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, you got it. You know the good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's good at picking Brianna's good at picking the good ones.
How can I eat it, please?
Yeah. This went up to $20 and now it's down to $16.99.
That's a good price.
Is that right?
Yeah. Bryson is really picky right now, so I can try to give this chicken nuggets for him. Alright, let's go. So we got our strawberry sundae ice cream over here. Brianna's excited to eat it.
Yeah. Even when I get out of Costco, I can get my smiley face, baby.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
I have a smiley face, kids.
Yeah. Thank you for doing that for my kid. Okay.
Don't worry, that's the best part of it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Y'all have a great one.
You too.